It wasn't long ago that I purchased the weapon from the salvage yard. It was sat here, battered and bruised, and then I turned it into an absolute track weapon. Now I'm about to take it a step further. Manhart-style wide arch body kit is going on, and I'm going to try and get it ready so it can go to the Nürburgring on the 1st of May so Misha can drive it. Vulcan Alpha are in the process of making me a front splitter. The clock is ticking. I've got to get this body kit fitted. Let's do it. So guys, as with most YouTube projects, a lot of the time, other people let us YouTubers down. Now, I don't have that problem when it comes to building engines, because we do it all ourselves. At the end of the day, we are just YouTubers. There's some things that we can't do all by ourselves. One of them being bodywork. Now, I was mentioning to you that I've got the wide arch body kit. I did have a chap that came to look at it. He's obviously shit himself, and he's not picked the phone back up, and he's let me down. So I've had to pull out the old phone book, take the dust off it, ring a few contacts, and I am here at Millennium Site Services UK Limited, where they've got a little genie called Rafi. Here he is. So Rafi Smart Repairs also works here at Millennium Site Services UK. As you can see there, keeping your business on track, on time, and on budget. The main thing for us here is on time. We have got a deadline. We've got to be in Germany 1st of May. The car's going to Nürburgring along with the G81, which will be 1200 horsepower. Misha's going to drive both of the cars. Vulcan Alpha have got a splitter being made for us. But this kit is not a straightforward kit to fit. I mean, Rafi, you've had a look at it. What's your views on the kit? What do you think?
And me very small speak English.
Very small speak English. Don't worry, I will translate. For this, I will put subtitles. Basically, guys, he's had a look at the kit. He's offered it up. You can do this?
Yeah, only looking.
You can do it.
Yes.
He's looking. He's going to offer it all up. He's got another partner in crime who arrives back from holiday tomorrow. He's going to be looking at it. I think 2 to 3 weeks we're going to get it done. In the meantime, me and the BMW Madman are going to source some wheels for this, get it sorted, and then we've got to get it wrapped. It's a deadline, but we're going to hit it. So yeah, let's do it. We're here, and stay tuned because we're going to be coming back and filming some bits while they put it on and film the process. But I'm just glad I found someone competent that can actually do the job. So yeah, there we are, guys. Stay tuned. Yes, guys, I'm back. I've just come in to Millennium Site Services for an update. The weapon is being worked on. The boys are on it. Let's go over and have a look. Come with me. So the boys have offered the body kit up, as you can see here. Main stage before fitting any of this kind of kit, obviously because it's fiberglass, it's not a perfect fit. There will be a lot of trimming involved and a lot of fitting. So the first thing we need to do is do dry fit, which is what they've done here. Now the main part of this is going to be, once this is offered up, see how they've drawn lines under here for the arch. This is the actual original rear quarter panel that we'll have to cut out, and then we'll have to plate up so it meets the arch here. Yeah, so that's a pretty big job, but they're literally just offering it all up now. They've done the front wing as well. Look how wide it is, man. Look at the front wing. So obviously I've got some wheels on order now. Once they've offered it up properly, we'll get the wheels ordered and kind of sorted over and everything. But yeah, it's looking good so far. Let's have a look around. Right guys, so we're going to let these geniuses carry on. Like I said to you, I can't do everything, and bodywork is something that I definitely can't do. It's a craft, building engines, no problem. Done it all my life. But this is a special craft, and that's why it's here. These guys have got extensive experience in doing these kind of repairs. They do all kinds of stuff here. There's like train front ends and all kinds of shit going on here. But yeah, I think this company can kind of take on any kind of repairs to do with this kind of thing. You work quite a bit with fiberglass and everything, yeah? So they work quite a bit with fiberglass.
Powder,
Yeah,
bodywork,
yeah.
fiberglass, full set.
The full shebang. So yeah, there we are, guys. We're gonna let them carry on. No doubt I'll be back later because they are only a few minutes away from the Gtech unit. So I'll come back later, but the next step, I think they're gonna cut this rear arch. So the guys have prepped the weapon up. It's all ready to be cut away. The rear quarter panel is about to have a grinder taken to it for the second time. Oh no.
Oh yes.
So from factory in a standard form, the rear quarter panels are a two-part piece, so they have two skins essentially. What the technician is currently doing is cutting the outer skin to reveal the skin behind it. Once that is revealed, he'll basically be putting slits in there, as you can see. He'll then weld them all together to create a proper seal. Then it's ready for the wide body rear quarter panel. I've come back to see the boys at Millennium. As you can see, they're on it. It's looking good. I don't want to go too close because I don't really want to put them off while they're working, but see how they've joined the side skirt to the rear quarter panel, and I think they're ready to bond it like James Bond. So let's have a closer look without it being too intrusive. So guys, so far they're doing a fantastic job. I'm actually overwhelmed to see the M240 coming back to life after being brought back to life once already by myself. The wide arch is just going to look amazing. I mean, I know it looks in a battered state, but it's been in a much battered state than this before. Once it's done, I have got a little surprise for you guys. How about a full rewrap? Would you like that? Full rewrap. We're going to change the look on the weapon before it goes to Germany. How about some bigger, wider wheels? But I can't say too much about that. So they're just prepping the front wing to go on. It's looking good. You'll have to wait for the next episode when hopefully by then it should be complete, and then we'll take you through to having it fully wrapped. I hope you're enjoying the content. I am trying to keep it switched up, not all G81, obviously the weapon as well. I do have a new toy coming. Where it's coming from I won't tell you. It'll be here in about 2 months. Purchased it. Full documentary loading. I was going to go abroad to pick it up, but I'm not. It's coming over. Like, share and subscribe. Catch you for the next episode. See you again.